So we got several broken slate tiles on our roof, so we're gonna change all of them. We'll have about 100 broken tiles, and if you want to see what it looks like, it's like this tile. Got threads on this side, and it's nailed right here. It's very easy to remove the tile, especially if it's not nailed. But if it's nailed, then it's going to be a little bit challenging to remove it, because you'll have to put the pry bar here and try to take out this nail to loosen it up, and then you can take it out. So usually there are one nail or two nails. So, but when you put it back, the new slate tile, you're gonna have to nail it. But if you want to nail it, then you'll have to remove the next tile, which is next to it, adjacent tile on top of it, so you can nail it. For example, if you want to nail this one, you have to remove this and nail it here. And once you nail it, then you can put this one. So, but once since we're changing some of this here, so we can remove this. Those are not nailed because they're newly put here, and we can nail those. But those ones are not gonna be nailed. These ones are nailed. So some people, what I heard is that they nail one side, and this side is not nailed. This side is nailed, and the other side is not nailed, so that it can be easy for people to remove it, replace it down the road if they need it to be replaced. So we have about 100 broken tiles, and the previous owner tried to replace some of them and put different ones, and those ones are actually the same ones, but over the age of the tiles, it got discolorated. So they used to be like that, and then became blackish. So we are removing this one. This one is not nailed. This one is nailed. So unnailed ones are easier to remove. But if it's nailed, it's very hard to remove it. Let's see, what tile is it? Okay, we're done. Okay. Alright. And if you want to put it back, if you want to nail it, then you'll have to remove this too to nail it. But you can put it like this without a nail.